It looks a little different. I understand some subscribers said the Algy is blue and Algy has a full cab, and the fact is that I did this model or modified Bertie as Algy with the round top on the face right here, and trying to make a little different than just paint it as blue or make the full cab, because it looks really nice with the red stripe right here. It's also really cool. So if you want to take a moment, go online on Wikifandom or Wikipedia, whatever you want to call it, and from there you see this, and the next page it says Algy, and obviously you will see it's the first picture is blue. Then you click right here and you see the what I'm talking about. Algy is yellow, and actually it's green but looks yellow. So in his rear appearance, Algy had the same design as Bertie, except his front was more slanted and his rear wheels were exposed. In his second and third appearance, Algy was redesigned and had a full cab delivery. When he first appeared, Algy was painted cream with a red stripe on both sides, and then after that he was painted with light blue and white stripes. So there you have the info we have online is this: Algy as yellow and the same as Bertie. So I almost put the screenshot of the subs that say that Algy is blue, but I don't want to roast those subs. It's not necessary. So I hope you guys can see and watch this video and take a moment to Google it, go to Wikifandom, and you will find whatever info is available right there. And that's why I did Algy as this color with the wheels exposed and just rounded a little bit the face right here and not square, you know. So anyways, hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Over and out.